You guys got a garage door that you want to make sure is secure so nobody can get in and steal all your tools. All you need is a couple of these small C-clamps. And right here, it's not very secure. That lock right there can be busted right off. A screwdriver can be used to get in your garage. This thing right here pulls these cables, which pull these spring-loaded latches back on both sides. See? Now watch when I close it. Right here is where it's gonna latch. That's nothing. All I gotta do is bust that off and get in and turn this, and they will be in your garage. So, what you do, get a C-clamp like so, slide it into your track, tighten it down, and then slide it down right above your top roller and clamp it down. Now you're not gonna be able to get in with a key, but this is gonna secure your garage door better than it was. That's my little security tip for you. You can get one of these at Harbor Freight for a couple dollars. Get 2 of them, put it on both sides. I tightened it down up here to make it easier, and then slide it down on the wheel, and then go ahead and tighten it up. And just clamp it down like that. And now that wheel isn't gonna be allowed to go up. So watch, it's unlocked. Nobody's gonna be able to knock that off of there. So go ahead and upgrade your security. That's a cheap way to do it, but it's more secure than this lock. You can also put something in the slots here, like a bolt and a nut through these holes. It'll do the same thing. Or like right here, they also make slide locks that'll slide through this hole, and then you can put a lock on this side. You can buy it and bolt it into here, and then it'll come through here, and it'll do the same thing essentially. But I had a C-clamp laying around, and that's what I did. So one side's sufficient. I do 2 sides when I'm gonna be gone for a long time. I don't know why.